We're back at Bavar in University Village. Delicious cuisine packed with all sorts of flavors complement the decor, creating a unique Southeast Asian experience for anyone looking for authentic Vietnamese street food.
It's very family friendly. It's close to our house. It's got a great outdoor setting. Like, it's got a really good vibe, the music, the service is really good, and the drinks.
At the end of the day, doesn't matter how beautiful your restaurant is, but let the food speak to the people.
Co-owner Eric Bond uses locally grown ingredients to bring Southeast Asian flavors to the Northwest. In his eyes, the fresher the produce, the better.
When I first came here, I love it so much. I fell in love with it, and I said, this is where I'm gonna settle down. The ingredients are incredible. I mean, you look at seafood, vegetable, you name it. We are truly farm to the table.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
It's so not only amazing looking and beautiful, it's also delicious.
When it's cold outside, it's nice to have a steaming bowl of soup. It's just a really easy place to come and have a really delicious meal.
You and I get to do some cooking. What are we gonna make?
We're gonna do Saigon chicken cabbage salad.
Awesome.
It's sturdy, inexpensive. It costs literally $25. You can feed a family of 8. It's gonna be fun.
Saigon chicken cabbage salad.
Correct.
I
correct.
love it.
Yes.
All right.
First of all, cabbage is sturdy
Cabbage here.
vegetable, and Vietnam, the average temperature there is 90 degrees
So
Fahrenheit.
that's hot.
Very hot.
Yeah.
So our salads are generally either cucumber or cabbage. If you use very delicate herbs or vegetable, then it will really fast.
We start by adding a chicken to some boiling water seasoned with salt, bay leaves, and garlic for flavor.
Vietnamese, we emphasize a lot on clarity of the soup. So you can use a ladle and discard all the gunk and debris.
The stuff that comes to the top.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
For Vietnamese folks, if you have cloudy
bad.
soup, you don't know what you do.
Okay, that's good to know.
We chop up a cabbage and soak it in water with salt and lime. Next, we chop up an onion and some carrots.
I'm not very good at knife handling, but you know.
Would you like to learn a tip?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I'm always
When
up
you
for tips.
stick out the index finger,
Uh-huh.
now you stiffen up your whole form. You hold like this,
Okay.
and your fingers act as a guide.
Okay.
Perfect.
There we go.
There you go, see? You're ready to work in the kitchen.
For the dressing, we chop up a de-seeded jalapeno, chili pepper, garlic, and add some pickled leeks and tomato paste. Finally, we add some sugar and blend it up. Next, we add fish sauce, coconut water, vinegar, and shallot oil. When our chicken is finished cooking, we shred it into pieces.
So we have one full-time person, literally,
To debone
be in
chicken.
charge of chicken. Debone chicken, boil chicken.
chicken.
That's how much
Lot of
chicken
chicken.
we use,
Okay.
okay?
Time to assemble the salad.
So the
So
beautiful part about this salad is that most of it is
Absolutely.
grown in Washington.
Yes, you have mint, you have cabbage, you
Yeah.
have onion, you have carrots, you have shallot.
We add in some mint, cilantro, and an herb called rau rum. Then we add the dressing, top it off with the chicken, some peanuts, caramelized shallot, and chopped lime leaf.
Magical.
We earned this.
I always talk about food very much like music. The caramelized shallot and the peanuts act as a base. And then for vinaigrette, you look for the acidity, the kick from the garlic.
Yeah.
And that's what Southeast Asian Vietnamese food is all about. Sweet, sour, salty.
And it's so fresh tasting.
Yes.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you.